At the opening of the no case to answer motion, the prosecution presented a 588-page document detailing how members of the Kikuyu community were targeted in Kiambaa, Kimumu and Tabo areas during the post-election violence that broke out in 2007.
In Uasin Gishu alone, 230 people were killed. 744 out of 1,133 people killed in Kenya were killed in the Rift Valley.
The prosecution presented witness-based evidence on 4 preparatory meetings held in Ruto's home, as well as other meetings presided over by Ruto's subordinates in the network in different locations.
Firstly, a meeting at Mr. Ruto's Sogoi house on the 20th of October 2007 with several prominent members of the network, alleged members of the network present, including Mr. Sang on this occasion.
Was the evidence to the effect that, notwithstanding the outcome of the election, Kikuyus will be evicted from the Rift Valley?
Ruto stated that now, in 2007, whether we win or not, we want the Kikuyu to go home, whether they like it or not.
The prosecution submitted that youth were trained and prepared to execute a common plan after the 2007 election results were announced.
The witness says that the training, according to the youths who attended, was provided by retired army officers.
These meetings, according to the prosecution, were held at the home of Farouk Kibet, Ruto's assistant.
Kibet said, "We should evict all Kikuyu from the Rift Valley," and told the youth, "I need you to be ready to do that." The youth seemed happy to hear this.
Steinberg added that soon after the results, Ruto's point men mobilized the youth to launch attacks. Presiding Judge Chile Eboye Esuji asked the defense to address themselves to whether the chamber should assess the evidence presented before the court thus far to determine the standard of proof beyond reasonable doubt. The defense of both Ruto and Sang are expected to make their submissions after the prosecution concludes his. Will Kisanyabwa the big question?